Hello friends, today we shall discuss about topic the difference between methodology and a framework. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and you want to learn about it, and or also you are planning to give exam PMP or you want to manage projects. So let's start, friend. First of all, friend, we have to understand that we should have the understanding of the difference between a methodology and a framework, because it is essential, especially in project management and software development. So first we talk about methodology. Methodology is a comprehensive, systematic way of doing things. It provides a detailed guide on how to complete a project or process from start till finish. It includes specific steps, processes, tools, and practices to achieve the desired outcome. The key characteristics involved in the methodology are structured. That means it has a well-defined sequence of activities. Then methodology is detailed. That means it provides explicit instructions and processes. Comprehensive means that it covers all aspects of the project or process. Then the example of methodology is a waterfall methodology. The waterfall methodology is a classic example. It's a linear and sequential approach to project management and software development. The steps in waterfall are requirements gathering. Means that we have to gather the project requirements through the stakeholders and from the customer. Then a design phase means that we design the specifications, functional specification for a project, architecture of the project. And then implementation means that in actual the software development team or the stakeholder, the developers will do the coding or development according to the design. After that, the verification phase, that means we test the project to ensure it meets the requirements and then do the deployment on the production. Then the maintenance phase means that fix any issues and update the project as needed. So each step must be completed before moving to the next, and there is a little room for changes once a step is completed. So this is the waterfall approach. Then if we talk about a framework is a more flexible and adaptable way to support a project or process. It provides a basic structure and set of guidelines that you can customize to fit your needs. Frameworks are less prescriptive than methodologies and allow for more creativity and adaptation. The key characteristics involved in framework are flexible. That means it can be adapted to fit different situations. So based on the situation, the framework can be adjustable. Guideline based means it provides a structure without detailed instruction, because like based on the situation we can do the adjustment accordingly. Supportive means it helps organize and manage the process without dictating each step. So example of Scrum framework is the Scrum is a framework used in agile project management and software development. The components of Scrum are roles. That means it has a role like a Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. It has different events, includes sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, and retrospective. These are the events. The artifacts are product backlog, sprint backlog, and the increment. Scrum provides a basic structure but allows teams to decide how to implement it. For example, teams can choose the length of the sprint, how they conduct a stand-up, and what tools to use for the Scrum. The key differences between the methodology and framework. First one is the structure. Means the methodology provides a detailed step-by-step process. So waterfall tells you exactly what to do in each phase. Framework offers a general structure that you customize. For example, Scrum gives you roles, events, and artifacts, but leaves the specifics up to the team. The flexibility is another difference. Like methodology is very rigid and less adaptable. The waterfall doesn't easily accommodate changes once a phase is completed. Framework is flexible and adaptable. Scrum allows to frequently adjustment based on feedback and changing requirements. Guidance means methodology, detailed guidance and perspective. For example, waterfall specifies detailed requirements and design phases. Framework is general guidelines and supportive. Means Scrum suggests daily stand-ups but doesn't dictate how they should be conducted. So in summary, if we talk about methodology, is a detailed recipe that tells you exactly how to cook a dish from start to finish. Okay, and the framework is like a basic cooking guide that provides essential tools and techniques, allowing you to adopt and create your own recipe. So friend, this is the basic difference between methodology and the framework. So by understanding these differences, you can choose the right approach for your project, whether you need the detailed instructions of a methodology or the flexibility of a framework.